Weather's getting better already. So much to do and such little time to do it. Alright, now that we can actually hear what's going on, I pre-soaked as many of the nuts and bolts that I could. So hopefully it'll make it a lot easier for everything to come out. Surprisingly, the body of this car is
it's not bad.
not too shabby.
Yeah.
We'll see more of it later. Alright, I think I'm going to start with the exhaust. I need whatever size. Oh, you know what? I'm going to bring my whole toolbox over here. Knew that was going to happen. Alright, that's out of the way. Next is going to be bolts here for the drive shaft. This is going to be the rear drive shaft.
Did this help?
A little bit.
It kind of looks like that. 44%.
Wow, really?
Yeah. You said it's 1080p.
I got three batteries ready to go. Rear drive shaft bolts. There we go. Boom. Oh, there we go. That's all I needed. Alright, so I gotta take the caliper off, which I'll just do that now. In theory, I should be able to take the main bolts out of this and drop it down.
Bolts out of
the whole subframe.
Down, I think it's Pasadena. Fun words I know. Damn. I'm pretty sure it was probably.
Okay, now we should be good.
Oh, in the hood.
This whole thing. Wow. I thought there was gonna be a lot more involved.
Like things you didn't expect kind of stuff?
Yeah. In the video that I watched on a guide.
Yeah, do they have like extra steps?
No, he never showed actually taking it out.
Oh, okay.
Which, I mean, the video
That's kind of the point.
The video is at the level where if you don't know how to take this out, you shouldn't be doing it anyway.
Yeah, it'd be like me trying to do it. Imagine the phone call. Hey, yeah, I'm dropping some stuff on my car. What are you doing? Oh, found this guide on Reddit. Kind of looks like I'm turning my car into a cannon. I like that show, but not a lot of people do it. I did it.
That was scary. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy. Okay. That kind of hurt my fingies.
You good?
Yeah. I got another hand. That wasn't a sexual joke, Chris.
So now this thing can come down.
Yep.
So I should get my leg out of the way. Something. There we go.
I got it.
Nope. Nope.
Wow, that is teetering.
Yeah.
Whew. Now
I could lift that easy and pop my port out of my chest.
to figure out a spot. I mean, I guess I could just keep it exactly where it is. What's the car? I'm also gonna be doing like body work back here too. I'm gonna like clean all this up. This is starting, you know what I mean? Stuff like this.
Yeah.
That's missing. So yeah, I'm gonna get all the rust and stuff off of this, paint it.
Vastly different at the same time.
Just go in your home.
And this is where it will live.
This is where it will live. For now. I got a lot of work ahead of me.